Hello, everybody. Welcome to LabTech. I'm Diego Cortesi, CEO of the group. Let me drive you through the company. Let's go. Let me drive you through our facilities. LabTech is an international company based in the northern part of Italy, in Bergamo, and we are manufacturing high-quality analytical instruments for everyday laboratory needs. The key ingredients of our company are people and products. Let me give the floor now to Maurizio.
Welcome. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our laboratory. We all know how important it is to have good and reliable instruments to support our daily activities. Today, I have the privilege to show you some LabTech instruments. This is one of the instruments that made LabTech pretty popular worldwide. Just imagine there are more than 35,000 units installed around the world. And why? Because they are very robust, simple, efficient, and they can perform even in adverse laboratory conditions. 10 models featuring temperatures from -20 up to 35 Celsius and with cooling capabilities from 500 watts up to 9,000 watts. Plus, the new Baby Born, a lightweight portable chiller that weighs only 15 kilograms. LabTech manufactures 4 models with different features. Of course, there is the package that includes the rotary evaporator, the chiller, the vacuum pump, and the vacuum controller when not built in, like in this case. This is a concentrator, also known as blow-down evaporator, another flagship line of LabTech. We have get rid of unwanted solvents, and we heat the sample, and we blow down an inert gas, typically nitrogen. This is a selection of the range of gas generators. 8 models for nitrogen, 4 models for zero air, 8 models for hydrogen. They are an excellent alternative to the uncomfortable and even dangerous high-pressure cylinders. This is the latest centrifuge release, a beautiful, large-capacity, high-speed refrigerated benchtop. It is one of the 14 models manufactured by the Korean company Gyrozen. LabTech's offer starts from a micro-personal centrifuge till a floor-standing, large-capacity, reaching 22,000 RPM, delivering to the samples more than 54,000 G. In between, there are multiple choices: benchtop, floor-standing, refrigerated, high-speed, micro, and you name it. And here, there are other remarkable instruments like vacuum pumps, lightweight, thermostatic baths, freeze dryers, hot blocks, and hot plates. So, thank you very much for your virtual visit. Now we wait for you in person to see our products. Or don't hesitate to visit our website, www.labtechsrl.com.